Hi, welcome back everybody, and thanks for joining me on another installation video. Today I'm going to go over something that I believe that every S550 Mustang truly needs. Keep watching. So for today's installation, we are going to install a set of ultra low profile BMR jacking rails. This is one of those small cheap modifications that really every S550 Mustang really needs to have. It is one of those simple things that you can do to your car to keep you safe when you're working underneath your car a lot, swapping wheels or anything like that inside of your garage or on a lift. So the only real tools that you will need for this installation, some jacks to get the each side of the car in the air, and then your choice of either this guy or this guy, so 15mm socket and wrench, or a low impact gun and socket. Once under the car, you're going to find 4 of these 15mm bolts. Once you've located the bolts, you'll take your tool and remove them. Once you have the bolts removed, you're going to find some of the sealant here. What you want to do is find a cutting device and then chisel some of that away so that the jacking rails will sit flush. Once you have your rails mounted properly, you'll just let them sag free like that. Get all the bolts started and then finish them up. Once they are installed properly, you'll find that it is a very low surface here. It is quite even with the pinch rails here, and they do not sag past that. Here's an angle with the car sitting flush against the ground on its 4 wheels. I'm going to jack up the car, show you, demonstrate how it works. So these allow you to jack up the car from pretty much anywhere on that rail, and it will lift the entire side of the car. The fit and finish on the BMR jacking rails is top quality. It's a very cheap, effective mod that will keep you safe. I do recommend that every S550 owner out there buy it. Please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and check back every single week for new installation videos. I'll see you next time.